Welcome to today's class. So last few classes onwards, we have explaining various concepts, all those things. And today's our topic is compound angles. So what is the use of learning compound angles? So in the previous classes, I have explained about the values, trigonometric values of sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, sin 180, all those things. But what about sin 15 degrees value? What about sin 36 degrees value? What about sin 18 degrees value? Don't they have the values? Yes, definitely they will have the values. Then how to find out these values? Sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, sin 22 and half, cos 22 and half degrees, all those things values, how to find out? So that will be explained using compound angles. What is a compound angles? What is a compound? In chemistry we will come across what is a compound. Compound means it is a mixture of two or more chemicals is called a compound. Here also compound angles means the algebraic sum of two or more angles is called a compound angle. Compound angle, algebraic sum. Algebra means what? Plus, minus, into, division, all those things. A plus B plus C, A plus B minus C, A minus B minus C, etc. All those these angles are called compound angles. So in this class we are going to explain the formula of sin of A plus B, cos of A minus. I am not explaining the proof of this sin of A plus B. So it is not that much use. The proof is not that much useful for your JEE mains preparation, but board preparation it is important problem. Okay, so I am going to explain the formulas of sin A plus B, cos A minus B, tan of A plus B, sin of A plus B plus C, sin of A plus B plus C. How to find out all these values, that I am going to explain. This chapter is a theoretical part is very less, only is formula based chapter. This is here to all these formulas you should have a very good memory power. Okay na? So let me explain the list of formulas. Okay na? Let us start our class. Welcome to formula list. Here A and B are any two angles. So for up to here only that condition, up to here only that condition. A and B are any two angles. Whatever may be the angles you take, sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So for A and B are any two angles up to these four formulas. A and B are any two angles. You may take pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, whatever may be you take. These four formulas will be valid. Then how to remember? See here, for first two formulas, sin cos, cos sin will come. Of course, AB. If sin of A plus B is there, plus will come. Sin of A minus B is there, minus will come. For sin plus minus will come. But whereas cos of A plus B, both cos, both sin. Cos of A minus B also both cos, both sins. But here the very important point is, if A plus B, plus is there, minus will come. If minus will there, plus will come. For A plus B, sin of A plus B, proof is also there. So if you know the sin of A plus B for A plus B formulas, for remaining all formulas will be as usual will come. So sin of A plus B, cos of A plus B formulas are there. Derivation is there. Derivation is also there. Okay na? Right. So for A and B, these four formulas will be valid. Now coming to here, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by tan A minus tan B. Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. For here, what is the condition? A, B, A plus B, A minus B, they are not the integral multiples of pi by 2. they should not be the integral multiples of pi by 2. That should be very careful. Generally, anybody can explain these formulas, but the thing what you have to remember is, as a IIT preparation students, for everything what is A and B? A and B are any two angles only for these formulas. Next two formulas, tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B, A, B, A plus B, A minus B, they should not belongs to integral multiples of pi by 2. What is pi by 2? Integral multiples of pi by 2 means what? Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, this side minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2. Those integral multiples you should not take. Okay. Why, sir? We have to take, for example, if you take A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, tan 90 is equal to how much? It is not defined. Here also, if you take A is equal to 90, B is equal to some 3 to 270, tan A, tan 90 is not defined, tan 270 is also not defined. So, such type of angles you should not take. Then only these formulas will be valid. Understand this? So, to remember while learning these problems, formulas, whatever may be that, each and every point you should be careful. Here A and B are any two real numbers. Here A, B are real numbers. Any two angles, any real angle means nothing but real numbers. But these two formulas, they should not be integral multiples of pi by 2. Now, coming to here, these two formulas, what is this? Cot of A plus B. Cot of A plus B formula, cot A, cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. Cot of A minus B formula, cot A, cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Okay. Here, in the formula, cot of A plus B, cot of A minus B, cot A, cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. Here, cot A, cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Here the A, B, A plus B, A minus B, they should not be integral multiples of pi. Integral multiples of pi means what? You should not take pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, all those things values you should not take. Why? Because cot 180 is it is not defined. Tan 180 is 0, cot 180 is not defined. So here also cot 180, they are not defined. So why I am explaining these formulas means here A, B, for these four formulas, A, B belongs to real numbers. For these two formulas, A, B, A plus B, A minus B, they should not be integral multiples of pi by 2. For these two formulas, they should not be integral multiples of pi. Understand? So if you understand this, so all these problems are very, very important. Okay, na? So let us go for some more formulas. Welcome to this list of formulas. So we have learned already sin of A plus B and sin of A minus B formulas separately. Then what is their sum? What is their difference? Here also cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B. So if you see that sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B is equal to 2 sin A cos B. So what is the proof, sir? So just write expand sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So here also sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Of course cos A sin B plus cos A sin B minus cos A sin B get cancelled, 2 sin A sin B. So sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. So cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. So 2 cos A cos B. So here the formula is 2 cos A cos B. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. So if you don't want this minus, just you interchange these two. Just interchange this. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is equal to 2 sin A sin B. So here from this what you have to remember is, if it is both signs are there, so here you are getting 2 is common. For all this you are getting 2. So if both signs are there, you are getting sin cos. Sin A minus sin B is there, you are getting cos sin, interchange. Both cos are there, you are getting both cos, that means cos A plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B, if it is minus is there, you are getting both sign. Sin A, sin B you are getting. Understand this? So this is a very, very important formulas, but here also the same condition, A, B, A plus B and A minus B. belongs to set of real numbers. You can take any type of real numbers. But actually tan of a plus b plus tan of a minus b, that formula is not there. It is there, but you won't get this type of explicit formula, you won't get. Okay, na? So you remember these formulas, list of formulas. And one more thing what you have to remember is, all these formulas in a reverse direction also you have to learn. What is the reverse direction is, sir? Why I am telling it means, reverse direction means what? If 2 sin A cos B is there, 2 sin A cos B can be written as sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. That also you have to remember. So while preparing all the formulas, first write down the formulas in this way. Afterwards, write the formulas in the reverse direction also, that like that. 2 sin A cos B can be written as sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus C. This is the way of learning the formulas. Second one also, 2 cos A sin B is there. This can be written as sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Like that you have to learn. Write the formulas. Number of times you write down. Remember that formulas. All formulas, this type of is equal to type of formulas. From not only from left hand side to right hand side. Learn the formulas from right hand side to left hand side also, like this. So wherever you come across 2 sin A cos B, this can be splitted as sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Like that you can split it. Okay, na? Right. So I hope that you understand these formulas. Let us go for next list of formulas. That is, if it is into is there, in between into is there, let me see what happens. Okay, na? Now if it is a plus is there, we have seen. If it is multiplication is there, let me see what happens. Welcome to the next list of formulas here. Sin A plus B times sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B, otherwise cos square B minus cos square A. So cos of A plus B times cos of A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B, otherwise cos square B minus sin square A. Okay, now, right. Tan of A plus B times tan of A minus B is equal to tan square A minus tan square B upon 1 minus tan square A times tan square B. So for all these formulas, the proofs are very, very easy. The only thing is, so write the formula of sin of A plus B. So this is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and multiplied by sin of A minus B formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, na? So it is obviously in the form of A plus B times A minus B. So this is A square minus B square. This means A square means sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B. Okay, now, so that is our formula. Now, if you want to convert entirely in sines, that means wherever cos square B is there, so put sin square A, this is 1 minus cos sin square B minus cos square A, so you put 1 minus sin square A times sin square B. So you expand it, so here sin square A minus sin square B plus sin square A sin square B will get cancelled. So minus into minus plus, sin square A minus sin square B will be remain. Sin square A minus sin square B will be remains. Okay, now, right. So this is sin square A minus sin square B will remain. So if you want to convert purely in cos, in place of sin square A, put 1 minus cos square A minus half. In place of sin square B, 1 minus cos square B. So if you open the brackets, you will get cos square B minus cos square A. Like that, you will get the formulas. Okay, now. So here the thing what you have to remember is, here A, B, for these two formulas, A, B, A plus B, A minus B, they belongs to set of real numbers. Anything you can take. But for tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B formulas, A, B, A plus B, A minus B, they should not be integral multiples of pi by 2. That means you should not take A plus B as pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus 2 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2. Those pi by 2 values are not allowed for all formulas of tan, pi by 2. Those are not allowed for tan. For sin, cos, domain is set of real numbers. You can take any value. any value you can take. Okay na? So for this formula also very easy for proof for this also. Tan of a plus b formula is, so tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. So times tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So see here in the numerator and denominator, numerator is also a plus b into a minus b, denominator also a plus b into a minus b. Here also a square minus b square, here also a square minus b square. Proofs are very, very easy. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. And one more thing what you have to remember, as now, just now I told, all formulas in a reverse order also you have to remember. What is that reverse order means what? Wherever you come across sin square a minus sin square b. If you come across sin square a minus sin square b, this can be written as sin of a plus b times sin of a minus b. Understand this? So all formulas in the reverse, while writing the formulas in a notebook, first to write down the formulas in this direction from left hand to right hand side. Immediately you write the formulas from right hand to left hand side also. That is sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Same as cos square b minus cos square a is equal to sin a plus b into sin minus b. Cos square a minus sin square b is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos square b minus sin square a is equal to cos a plus b into cos. That means left hand side to right hand side, right hand side to left hand side also you have to learn and write the formulas. Okay na? So I hope that you understand these formulas. Let us go for next list of formulas. Okay na? Welcome to next list of formulas. See here, tan of 45 degrees plus theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. So how sir this is formula? So tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan a, tan 45 is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan 45 value is 1. So that means tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan 45 value 1. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Okay now. So this is. Now if you want to the same formula in terms of sin and cos, in place of tan theta you write down sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. LCM you take cos theta plus sin theta upon sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay na? So very, very easy formula. This is also tan of 45 degrees minus theta, that is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay na? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. That means cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta plus cos theta. So you just write the in place of tan theta, sin theta by cos theta you write down, the problem will be over. So it is also cot 45 degrees plus theta is equal to, so you wherever cot of a plus b, cot a plus cot b by 1 minus, so sorry, cot a cot b minus 1 by 1 plus cot a cot b. That means otherwise cot of 45 plus theta is nothing but the reverse of this. Here 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is there, no. Just to reverse it, 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Change it to sin into cos. Here also cot of 45 minus theta is equal to, that means this is the reciprocal of tan of 45 minus theta. So this is equal to, this is the reciprocal. So 1 minus tan theta by upon 1 plus, reverse order is 1 plus tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. You change it, the problem will be over. And one more thing is tan of 45 plus theta times tan of 45 minus theta is equal to 1. Very, very important. How it gets? Very simple. Tan of 45 plus theta is equal to how much? 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Tan of 45 minus theta value is how much? 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. You multiply these two. What happens? 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta gets cancelled. 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta gets cancelled. You will get 1. So this formula is also very, very important. Okay na? So I hope that you understand this list of formulas. So let us go for another list of formulas. See the next list of formulas. If tan A is equal to m by n, tan B is equal to n minus m upon n plus n, then a plus b is equal to pi by 4. And the second formula, tan A is equal to m by n and tan B is equal to m minus n upon m plus n, then A minus B is equal to pi by 4. Sir, how are these formulas? Very easy proofs. So, simply find the tan of A plus B formula. So, tan of A plus B is equal to how much? Tan A. Tan A means how much? M by n. Plus tan B means how much? N minus m by m plus n by 1 minus of m by n into n minus m by m plus n. So, you simplify and you cancel, you will get here 1. Therefore, A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Very easy formulas. Just to find the tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. You simplify this, you will get 1. Okay now, right. Here also tan A is equal to m by n, tan B is equal to m minus n upon m plus b. Tan of A minus B value find out, you will get 1. Therefore, A minus B is equal to pi by 4. So, what is the use of learning these formulas is, now we will getting very beautiful formula, that is tan A is equal to 2022 upon 2023. Then tan B is equal to 1 upon 4045. Then what is the tan of A plus B? So, if you know these formulas, then easily you can say this is equal to 1. How, sir? So, this is okay. So, this tan B I will write it as 1 upon 4045 now. So, this I can write down 2023 minus 2022 by 2023 plus 2022. Can I write it or not? Yes, easily can write down. So, this is of the form m by n. So, this is of the form n minus m by m plus n. So, therefore, A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, tan of A plus B is equal to 1. Okay, now. So, if you know this formula, you can easily find out this problem. Okay. So, if you don't get the idea, then what have to do? So, tan of A plus B means tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So, such a very big value will come. You have to simplify that value. Okay. Ultimately, you will get 1. Okay, na? So, I hope that you understand this concept. So, let us go for some more formulas. What are the formulas what we learned today? So, let us apply those formulas to find the values of sin 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, sin 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees, sin 105, such type of formulas. Okay, na? Right. So, how to prove that sin 15 is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2? Very easy one. So, this is a sin 15 can be written as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Sin 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30 is equal to 15 degrees. Okay. Sin of A minus B formula, that is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Okay. So, what is the LCM? 2 root 2. So, this is equal to root 3 minus upon 2 root 2. Okay, now, right. Sin 15 value is root 3 minus upon 2 root 2, same as sin 15 degrees can be written as sin of 90 degrees minus 75 degrees. Okay, 15 plus 75 is equal to how much? 90. Sin of 90 minus 75 is equal to cos 75 degrees. Therefore, cos 75 degrees value is also root 3 minus upon 2 root 2. Okay. Therefore, sin 15 degrees is root 3 minus upon 2 root 2. Cos 75 is equal to, cos 75 value is also root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. The only thing is here 15 plus 75 is 90 degrees. Therefore, sin value, cos value will be same for all angles. Okay, na? Right. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for some more derivations. Let us prove that cos 15 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So, therefore, very easy derivations. So, cos 15 is equal to cos of, this can be written as cos 15 degrees. This can be written as 45 minus 30. Okay. 45 minus 30 is equal to 15. So, cos of A minus B, that is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Very easy. So, cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. cos 30 is equal to sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is root sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So therefore cos 15 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. From this you can find out sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees can be written as sin of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, that is equal to cos 15 degrees, nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay na? Therefore cos 15 degrees sin 75 degrees value is same. From this you can easily say that tan 15 degrees, tan 15 is equal to sin 15 by cos 15. Sin 15 already we proved that root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is a root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 get cancelled. So this is equal to how much? Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Yes, we can still simplify this. So how can we simplify this? So by rationalizing root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. So in the numerator a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 root 3 by 3 is 2, therefore 2 minus root 3, therefore 2 minus root 3 is your answer. So tan 15 value is 2 minus root 3. Okay na? Like that sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, the again 775, cos 75, tan 75 value also you can find out. Okay na? Tan 75 also you can find out easily. Okay na? So let us see some more derivations. Welcome to next list of formulas. As I already told, a plus b plus c is also a compound angle. So far we have seen we have defined what is sin a, what is sin of a plus b. Now we are going to see sin of a plus b plus c. Simply you remember that sigma sin a cos b cos c minus pi sin a. What is sigma, what is pi? You know that sigma means summation, pi means product. So what is the expansion of this formula is, see here, sigma sin a cos b cos c means first sin will come to a. The first term is sin a cos b cos c plus cos a sin b cos c plus cos a cos b sin c. This is the summation notation. Up to here I have derived. This is sin a, next sin b, next sin c. That's all. Minus pi means product. The symbol pi means not only 2 by 7. Pi means product. So this is equal to sin a into sin b into sin c. So that is the formula for expansion of sin of a plus b plus c. Sin a, sin b, sin c, remaining cos. Okay na? Right. Same applies for cos of a plus b is equal to pi cos a. Here minus pi sin a, here pi cos a. So this is equal to cos a cos b cos c. Understand? Minus of. So this is cos a sin b cos c means here cos a, remember. That is a cos a sin b sin c plus sin a cos b sin c plus sin a sin b cos c. Okay na? Sin a sin b cos c. That's all. So open this bracket with the minus symbols, you will get the answer. Here also for tan of a plus b plus c also the same situation. Sigma tan a means what? So this is equal to tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus pi tan a means tan a into tan b into tan c upon by 1 minus of sigma tan a tan b means what? Tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan a. Understand this? Tan c into tan a. Okay na? So this is the formulas expansions of sin of a plus b plus c, cos of a plus b plus c, tan of a plus b plus c. Very easy formulas these are. So these you learn formula. So these expansions also very easy. So what are the expansions are? So let us remember this, let us b plus c treated as b. So what is sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b. Cos b means b plus c, plus cos a, and sin b. B means b plus c. Again this cos of b plus c expansion. Sin of b plus c expand. You will get the answer. Expand cos of b plus c, multiply with the sin. Expand sin of b plus c, multiply with the cos. You will get these formulas only. Okay na? So I hope that you understand these formulas. Okay. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed this today's class, and there are very important results are also there, standard results. So if you remember those results, solving the problems will be very easy. Okay na? So tomorrow's class I will explain those the important results. Okay. Until then, goodbye.